Get ready to witness a game changer in the cycling world, the first ever fully bespoke monocoque carbon frame that's turning heads and redefining what's possible. But here's where it gets controversial. Can a truly custom carbon bike frame be both revolutionary and accessible? Italy's Gregario thinks so, and they've just snagged the Best New Builder award at Bespoke 2025. https://www.bespoke.cc/visit, held in Dresden, Germany, from October 10 to 12. Their claim to fame: being the first to craft a fully custom monocoque carbon fiber frame using a patented variable geometry mold. Let's dive in and see what all the fuss is about. Gregario boldly states, the frame is designed around the rider's contact points, customizable down to the millimeter in angles and lengths. Even the cockpit is tailor-made, with handlebars and stems adjustable in every dimension. And this is the part most people miss: building the bike is a step-by-step journey for the customer. It starts with sizing, either in collaboration with a trusted bike fitter, or remotely via Gregario's digital sizing web app, https://www.gregariocycling.com/remote-sizing/start, which uses biometric parameters to define the frame's dimensions. The star of the show is the Gregario Vera AR Aero Road bike, built using that patented variable geometry mold. This innovation allows for a seamless monocoque structure without joints, eliminating the need for new molds for each size. Gregario explains, this approach flips traditional carbon frame production on its head. It enables full customization based on the rider's position and style, reduces industrial waste for a smaller environmental footprint, and ensures consistent structural quality thanks to the joint-free design. The result: a high-tech, tailor-made frame crafted in Italy that rivals industrial monocoque designs while embodying the soul and flexibility of Italian cycling craftsmanship. But here's the question: is this the future of custom bikes or just a niche luxury? Let us know what you think in the comments. Traditional carbon bikes are typically molded in set sizes, layering pre-preg carbon fiber sheets into a mold, adding an internal bladder, and curing the resin under heat and pressure. Molds are pricey, so brands often limit size options to cut costs. Custom geometry carbon bikes do exist, but they rely on lugs or tube-to-tube methods, which are fundamentally different. Gregario's breakthrough, teased as a concept at Eurobike 2 years ago, lies in its ability to produce bespoke monocoque frames using a variable mold. The idea was born in 2016 to address the limitations of standard frame sizes, which often force cyclists into compromises, especially with integrated components. Their solution? A fully custom monocoque frame created with an adjustable mold. A variable mold shape and dimensions can be tweaked, allowing a single system to produce frames of various sizes and shapes. From 2017 to 2023, Gregario built a technical foundation and B2B partnerships, culminating in the Eurobike 2023 concept reveal. They deliberately slowed development to prioritize quality and consistency, and now, with the Vera AR hitting the market, they're making their official debut. The Vera AR is Gregario's first complete bike model, featuring a frame made with their patented variable geometry mold technology. Produced in a single lamination and autoclave polymerization process, it's a testament to Italian design and engineering. Gregario goes beyond the idea of sizes, offering a fully custom philosophy where every frame is designed around the rider's contact points, down to the millimeter. Sizing can be determined by a bike fitter, or remotely via Gregario's digital sizing app, which uses neural networks and computer vision for precision. The final fitting customizes saddle position and component tuning based on the rider's biomechanics and goals, either at a trusted fitter or a Gregario partner center. How does the variable geometry mold work? Gregario keeps the details close to their chest, but patents like Salvatore Betrigno's mold manufacturing method and Mould US 2020/0331170A1 offer clues. Essentially, standard mold halves house a customizable insert that determines the frame's size and shape, even for components like one-piece handlebar/stems. The Vera AR is a disc brake-equipped aero road bike, with a claimed frame weight of 840 g and a fork at 360 g. The price tag? Starting at €6,000 for the frame, fork, and integrated seat post, or €12,300 for a complete bike plus tax and shipping. Delivery is expected within 2 months. Ready to explore more groundbreaking bikes? Check out Gregario's website, https://www.gregariocycling.com, or dive into our Bikes at Bedtime series, https://road.cc/show/tags/bike-bedtime/160072, for more two-wheeled inspiration.